Hi, this is Rick from Meduza, Leicester, and today we're going to talk to you about yet another Range Rover Sport L494 RS-700 body kit, available from vehicles 2013 to 2018, not for the facelift, but the pre-facelift vehicle. As you can see, I'll start by saying, on the camera, I don't know if you can see the car is green or grey. It's actually Scotia grey, even though the car looks like it's green. You will see this in the video as we go around when the light catches it, the little fleck in the paint. So, RS-700 from bumper, from grille, wider fenders, door mouldings, rear door moulding with arch integrated, rear fender, rear bumper wide version, mid tailgate spoiler, and the RS-700 roof spoiler as well. This vehicle, as you can see, has larger wheels on it. It's got a set of 23-inch wheels that we powder coated into gloss black for the client. It's got spaces on it to bring the wheels out to suit the body kit, and it's also been lowered so it drives in this height. As you can see, this is not in access mode, it's in normal height, so it can drive at this height. Customers also had the Meduza logo program done as well, so it looks the complete part. If you'd like a job like this doing, give us a call, give us an email, or follow us on social media. As you'll see, there's other vehicles that we do as well. Thanks for watching.